Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Hope you all are safe and healthy. Today we will learn our English first chapter, the alphabet rhyme. Now we will learn this poem A B C D E. Eating apple is good for me. This stanza we will learn eating apple is good for me. एप्पल खाना मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा है. And next stanza is FGHIJ. I can eat one every day. मैं एक एप्पल रोज़ाना खाता हूँ. KLMNO. I want to know where apple is grow. In this stanza, poet say, I want to know where apple is grow. मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कि सेब कहाँ उगते हैं. PQRST. Apples are very tasty. In this stanza, poet says, apples are very tasty. एप्पल जो है वो बहुत मज़ेदार हैं. UVWXYZ. Eating apples is good for me. In this stanza, poet says, eating apple is good for me. सेब खाना मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा है. Hope, dear student, you will enjoy this poem. You have any question, you can ask through comments. You can find me at this email and comment box. Thank you.